What is Marco Polo Video Messenger app? So let's just do a quick tutorial on how to use it. This app has been for a while. As you can see, it has over 2 million ratings and it has very high average rating. So this is your video messenger app, but with a trick. This is not like a FaceTime. This is not like a Facebook video messenger. This is a bit different app. So when you're in your home screen, you can just create an account, invite people, and then you just can create groups. You can find friends, add friends, and then in that group you can basically send a different items. So for example, hey, hello there, hello. And then you can just send this quick message, basically this quick video, just share with a friend, or if they're already in a on a Marco Polo app, then you can just easily send to them there. Then there is a new feature, second, which is basically, you can just hear some peanuts. You can just take some images and then you can just share this album of images with other people, and then it will be just a collection, kind of like a story, which you can share with your friends. So I understand. So seconds is a lighter way to share your day with all the people who like you. So this is kind of a way to share stories. And then you can create groups. You can you can get some advice from this bot. You can add your contacts, you can add friends, invite your friends, start a chat. There is a share cast. So free for everyone way to share more of your world. So yeah, that's what it is. And then you have these seconds, and that's basically the idea. So this app is kind of like a mix of different video tools, how you can share your day with friends. It's not, just like for video messaging or video calls. So for that, you just use FaceTime or WhatsApp or Messenger calls. This is just like a short form video calling.